If you have 5 to 7 million naira in Nigeria, this video can literally save you from making very expensive mistake, because the truth is many people buy cars within this budget and end up spending another 2 to 3 million naira fixing it.
Water, that my head a buzz, full water.
And sometimes they even regret buying the car entirely. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 best cars you can buy, the ones that will not stress you. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Michael the Car Guy, and I talk about cars buying advice, and how to avoid wasting money when buying cars in Nigeria. Now today's video is very important because many people make emotional decisions when buying cars in Nigeria. They see a car that looks clean, shiny or popular, and then they rush to buy it without thinking of long-term costs. But in Nigeria, a car is not just about buying, it's about maintenance, fuel and reliability. So in this video, I'll break everything down step by step so you can make smart decisions. Before we go into the cars, let's talk about 5 very important rules you should know before buying a car. The first one, fuel economy. With the price of fuel in Nigeria today, a car that consumes too much fuel will quickly drain your pocket. Second one, maintenance costs. Some cars may look cheap to buy, but they are very expensive to maintain. The third one, availability of parts. If your car breaks down and you cannot find parts easily, you are in trouble. The fourth one, durability. Nigerian roads are not friendly. The car you be buying should be able to withstand pothole and rough roads. Then finally, resale value. Any good car should have good resale value in case you want to resell. Now let's go straight into the cars. Number 1, Toyota Corolla 2008-2010. This car is one of the most trusted cars in Nigeria for a reason. It is very fuel efficient. You can drive it daily without spending too much on fuel. It is very low on maintenance. Even small mechanics can work on the car. You don't need a specialist. And the car is very reliable. It can last you for long if you use it very well. Many people in Nigeria use this car for Uber, Bolt or daily business because it is reliable and cost efficient. However, you need to be very careful when buying one, because most of the cars available now have been used heavily. So inspection is very important. Always check the transmission, the engine, the body of the car, the suspension before you buy. Number 2, Honda Civic 2010-2013. Honda Civic is known for its modern design and smooth driving experience. It is also fuel efficient, which makes it a good option for daily use. However, you should understand that Honda maintenance is slightly expensive than Toyota. Also, you need to maintain it very well, because it's not as rugged as Toyota. But if you take care of the car, it can serve you for years. Number 3, Toyota Camry Muzu. This car is also one of the most popular cars in the country. Many people love it because of the strong engine and the comfortable ride. I've seen different people use this car for both business and personal use, and it performs very well. But let me tell you something important. Many of the Camrys in this price range have been overused or poorly maintained. So don't just buy it because the car looks good. Make sure you inspect the car. You inspect the engine, the suspension, the transmission. Make sure the car is scanned before you pay. Number 4, Hyundai Elantra 2010-2014. This car is a modern, stylish car. It's also fuel efficient and affordable within this budget. Many young people prefer this car because of the design and the comfort. However, one challenge is the spare parts. The spare parts is not as common as that of Toyota, Honda or Lexus. So before buying it, make sure you locate where you can easily get the spare parts in your location. If the parts are available, then it's a very good option. Number 5, Kia. Kia cars like Kia Rio, Kia Optima are also very good options. They are comfortable, stylish and relatively affordable. However, the resale value is not as strong as Toyota. That means if you want to sell it, you may not get as much money back. If you are planning to use it for a long time, then it is a good choice. Now let's quickly talk about some cars you should avoid. Some luxury cars like BMW, Mercedes, they may look attractive, but the maintenance is very expensive in Nigeria. If something goes wrong, you might end up spending a lot of money. Also, some cars in the market might have hidden issues. Flood damaged cars, engine problem, transmission fault. So always inspect carefully before you buy. So now, how to inspect a car? Number 1, always check the chassis number to check the history of the car, to know if it's an accidented car. Number 2, always test drive the car before buying. Number 3, listen for unusual engine sound. Number 4, check the gear shift for smoothness. And most importantly, go with a trusted technician to scan the car. So let me ask you, if you have 5 to 7 million now, which car are you choosing from this list? And be honest, have you ever made a mistake when buying a car before? Drop your experience in the comment section. I want to see what you think. So that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please turn on the notification bell so you don't miss when I drop new videos. And if you want more content like this, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.